Unlocking financial freedom. Breaking free from habits that drain your wallet. Living in a consumer-driven world, it's easy to get caught up in the cycle of constantly buying new things. However, we can take a valuable lesson from the legendary Warren Buffett. When he had his first child, he repurposed a dresser into a crib, and when his second child came along, he borrowed a crib from a friend. The moral of the story is clear. Why spend money on something new when there are creative alternatives available? Before you make that impulse buy, take a moment to explore what you already have at home or consider borrowing or renting the item you need. For many, smoking is not only detrimental to their health, but also a drain on their finances. Warren Buffett, despite living in a time when smoking was the norm, never touched a cigarette. Smoking can quickly transition from an occasional habit to an expensive addiction. Quitting may not be easy, but the rewards of improved health and saving money are worth it. Take it one step at a time, stay determined, and don't give up. Indulging in junk food can be tempting, but finding a balance is crucial. Warren Buffett enjoys his fair share of fast food, but he treats it as a main meal, rather than an addition to his regular diet. Treat yourself occasionally, but be mindful of your spending. Make sure it remains a reward for your hard work, rather than a drain on your wallet amidst the busyness of life. It's important not to neglect yourself. Remember, you have the power to take control of your finances and personal growth. Warren Buffett's wise words ring true. The best investment you can make is in yourself. Educate yourself on personal finance, delve into investment books, or follow channels like The Abundant Lifestyle to learn about achieving financial independence. The allure of gambling can be tempting, but it's essential to proceed with caution. It's all too easy to lose track of your money while chasing a dream. Set a limit on how much you're willing to spend and stick to it. Remember, the potential consequences of excessive gambling can be dire. Jeopardizing your financial stability is not worth the risk. After a long day at work, cooking may not be your top choice for relaxation. Restaurants offer convenience, but at a price. Consider the cost. If you can prepare a meal at home for $5, it's likely to cost you triple that at a restaurant. Saving $10 a day can accumulate to a significant amount every month. Explore easy recipes that utilize appliances like slow cookers or pressure cookers to make cooking more manageable. The market bombards us with personal care products for every imaginable need. But do we really need them all? Warren Buffett, who is now in his 90s, doesn't use any personal care products. Take a look at your spending on personal care items and eliminate any unnecessary expenses. A small change can make a huge difference. With the rise of streaming services, it's easy to accumulate unused subscriptions. Avoid automatic subscriptions and manually pay for the few services you genuinely use. Evaluate if you're using a service at least once a week. If not, it's time to cancel. Unused gym memberships are a common pitfall. Many people jump on the fitness resolution train only to quit after a few weeks or months. If you have an unused membership, it's time to cancel. Start with free exercises like walking or hiking before committing to a gym. It's better to invest in exercises that you genuinely enjoy and will stick to. The allure of driving a brand new car is undeniable, but the financial burden is less appealing. Leasing a new car means pouring money into an asset that constantly loses value. Consider purchasing a used car instead. It functions just as well, but comes at a significantly lower cost. Follow in Warren Buffett's footsteps and save your hard-earned cash by opting for a used vehicle. Clothes can quickly drain your finances if you're not careful. Take a page out of Warren Buffett's book and find affordable options without compromising quality. Shop at stores like Zara that offer fashionable clothes at reasonable prices. Alternatively, consider renting clothes for special occasions if you're a brand lover. Technology evolves rapidly, enticing us to stay up to date with the latest gadgets and devices. However, waiting until you truly need an upgrade is a smarter financial move. Consider the price tag of a new iPhone, over $1,000 every year. Imagine the possibilities if you saved that money instead. If a night out at a bar or restaurant is incomplete without a drink, be aware of the costs. Buying alcohol in these settings can quickly empty your wallet. Follow Warren Buffett's lead and either pre-game at home or create room in your budget by reducing other expenses. Lastly, credit card debt can become a vicious cycle. Remember that the money you spend on your credit card is borrowed, and you'll need to repay it with interest. Utilize strategies like the debt snowball method to efficiently pay off your debts. If you're debt-free, use your credit card responsibly and stick to cash.